Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the Quick Fix Lab. So Anthropic just dropped something pretty big for Claude users. They've added plugin support to Cowork, and honestly, this changes the game for how you can use Claude for your work. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add these plugins, step by step. No fluff, no complicated stuff. Let's get into it. All right, so first things first. What even are these plugins? Think of plugins like power-ups for Claude. Each plugin bundles together skills, commands, and connectors into one package. So instead of Claude being a general assistant, you can turn it into a specialist for whatever you do. Sales guy, there's a plugin for that. Finance person, got one. Marketing, legal, data analysis, product management, they've got you covered. And the cool part, you can also upload your own custom plugins or even build new ones from scratch. Before we jump in, let me tell you what you need. Number one, you need a Mac. Yeah. Cowork. Only works on Mac OS right now. No Windows, no Linux, no mobile, just Mac. Number two, you need the Claude desktop app installed, not the web version, the actual desktop app. And number three, you need a paid Claude subscription. That means Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise. Free users can't access Cowork yet. Got all that? Good. Let's move on. All right, step one, open up your Claude desktop app. Once you're in, look at the top of the screen. You'll see a mode selector. It says chat, and then there's a Cowork tab right next to it. Click on Cowork. Now you're in task mode. This is where the magic happens. Step two, we got to get to the plugins. Look at the left sidebar. You'll see plugins right there. Click on it. This opens up the plugin library. Here you'll see all the plugins that Anthropic has made available, plus any custom ones you've uploaded. Step three, pick what you want. So Anthropic launched with 11 open source plugins. Let me run through them quick. Productivity. For managing tasks, calendars, daily workflows. Enterprise search, finding info across your company tools. Sales, prospect research, deal prep, that whole workflow. Finance, financial analysis. Building models, tracking metrics, data, querying and visualizing data sets, legal, document review, risk flagging, compliance tracking, marketing, content drafting, campaign planning, customer support, triaging issues, drafting responses, product management, writing specs, prioritizing roadmaps, biology research, if you're into that, and plugin create. This one's special. It helps you build your own plugins. To install any of these, just click on the plugin you want. Hit install. That's it. Done. The plugin is now on your machine. Now, what if you have your own plugin? Maybe you built one or someone shared one with you? Easy. In that same plugin section, look for the button that says Upload Plugin. Click it. Select your plugin file. It's usually a zip file, and boom, it's installed. Super simple. Here's something a lot of people miss. You can customize these plugins to fit exactly how you work. After you install a plugin, open it up. Look in the upper right corner. There's a Customize button. Click that and Claude will automatically start a conversation to help you tweak the plugin. It'll ask you about your workflow, your tools, your preferences. This is huge because now the plugin works the way you work, not just some generic template. Okay, so you've got plugins installed. How do you actually use them? When you're in Cowork, type /. That's this key right here. /A menu pops up showing all the commands from your installed plugins. Or you can click the plus button and see them there too. So if you installed the sales plugin, you might see commands like /sales::call-prep or /sales::prospect-research. Just pick the command you want and Claude takes over from there. Few quick things before I wrap up. One, plugins are saved locally on your Mac. So if you switch computers, you gotta install them again. Anthropic says they're working on organization-wide sharing, but that's not out yet. Two, check out the GitHub repo. All these plugins are open source. You can see exactly how they're built, modify them, whatever you want. I'll drop the link in the description. Three, remember, Cowork uses more of your usage limits than regular chat. So don't burn through all your messages on simple stuff. Use regular chat for quick questions, save Cowork for the heavy lifting. And that's it. That's how you add plugins to Claude Cowork. Honestly, this is one of those features that sounds small, but completely changes how useful Claude is for actual work. Definitely play around with it. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe to the Quick Fix Lab for more tutorials like this. Drop a comment if you have questions or if there's something else you want me to cover. I'll see you in the next one.